Still on the crank. This is the one I've just taken out with the tap, and it was a little bit scary to drill that out, but of course as you put this tap in, it's not actually cut, it's not anywhere near the thread because you're on a taper, so it won't actually start to cut the thread till the tap's all the way in, and as you wind it in you keep breaking bits out, and these came out on the end of the tap. It kept jamming up and kept pulling it out and taking these bits off. So we're going to try this next one, which is this one. See how that goes. So that's up to 11mm now, and I noticed on this one and the other one that the bigger you get, it gets really hard to drill. So whether this is case hardened in somehow or something, but take your time, sharp drill, and it will go through. And then I took a small chisel, and you can actually break away, because this plug is sort of slightly proud, and you can just break away the edge, and that'll just give you the start of the thread there. So over to the tap now. So I'll put the tap in maybe a turn, maybe a couple of turns, and you can see here's the, come on, here's the thread in the crank, and then I'm actually threading the old plug there. So I think I just might be able to get that chisel in and just chip a bit more away of that plug. Well, all out, and that was one of the most challenging things I've ever done. There's a bit of the old plug on the tap there, and that got wedged in the hole and it wouldn't come out, and I thought, oh, trying to drill a tap out. Anyway, lots of wiggling backwards and forwards, and it's come out. And the threads are perfect. So, result. So I'll give this a good soak and a good clean and a good flush and see what comes out. So here's my flushing system. I'm using paraffin and a spare petrol pump I had somewhere and a battery, and I shall clean it this way up, the other way up, turn it upside down, blow it through with an airline, and then do it all again, and probably do that a few times. That was clean water when I started, or clean paraffin. Done! All the plugs back in, Loctited and peened over. I've just sprayed some light oil over that just to try and keep it fresh. And now I'm looking at the pistons. And these come apart quite easily. A couple of circlips, one there and one there. That pin will just push out. And I found a socket, perfect size. Just tap that out. And I've ultrasonicked this. This is ultrasonic bath with. This is a heated one with paraffin in it. And although I'd washed these pistons, all this gunk still came out. So I shall oil them lightly and put them all back together. That's one done. It's really hard to get this wrong because this is number 1 piston, which is stamped on the left and front on there. That side is blank on the end cap, and that side we've got 2 1s. That's all number 1 there. Circlips back in. 5 more to go. And I'm gonna keep those Castellated nuts, it's a contentious issue. That's what I'm doing.